What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of OZARKBASSIN TV. We are on our way to the creek, and when I say we, I mean me and Faith over here. She's kind of got a head start. Her plan was to start fishing while I'm filming the intro. Freaking cheater. Anyways, we are doing some micro fishing today. I got a rooster tail tied on. She has a beetle spin tied on. So we're doing a little challenge. Rules are most fish wins. You're only allowed to use one lure, and yeah, if you lose your lure, you are disqualified. We're just gonna do a quick little challenge right here. Something fun. Faith wants to get out and catch some bluegill. So if Faith loses, she has to eat a ball of wasabi by itself. And if I lose, Faith gets to cut my hair because she doesn't want, like, I have to get my hair cut. Apparently I have to get my hair cut and eat a ball of wasabi if I lose. Yeah, so Faith doesn't like how long my hair is, and she's been asking me to cut it. So I told her if she can beat me, she can cut it. With that being said, we're almost at the creek and we're gonna start fishing. So I'll see you guys on the chesty. All right.
You can actually see in the water.
Yeah, the water's a lot more clear. Let's set this right here. So we are going to start. You ready? Yeah. All right, let's go. We're on. Oh yeah, it's just a little sunfish. Little sunfish. It's a pretty little one. Look at that. There's teals right there. Look at that. Beautiful colors right there. A little bloody. See you, bud. And he's swimming off. That's one on the board. One on the board. Oh. Oh my God, we had one on and then he got off. Dang it, again, dude. These... Again. Yep. Oh, this is a nice smallmouth or white bass. I think it might be a white bass. Yes, white bass. White bass. All right, I touched him. It counts. Have you caught anything yet?
What's the first one?
No, it's my second. And I had two get off. It's a white bass. All right. Thanks for biting, bud. There you go. So they're all the way over on that side. So if you can get deeper and throw out there, you're gonna get some fish.
Stop casting where I'm walking.
Oh, I got one. What? It's so tiny. Oh my God, look how tiny it is. Look at the little guy. See you, bud. Oh, got one. Smallmouth? Yep. Play a little. Yeah. There we go. Nice little smallmouth right there. That is fish number 4. There you go. He swam back. Faith got one. She just caught it one, but I... Oh! We'll count it. We'll count it.
You saw that.
Yeah, we'll count it. I had a couple get off, but we won't count mine. But we'll count yours. So you're 2. It's 2 to 4. So we filmed an intro, but apparently the files got corrupted, and yeah, we not able to film another intro with Faith. She's at work, unfortunately, and she didn't even eat the wasabi ball. For some reason, I got talked into letting her cut my hair, even though I won, and she didn't even get to eat the wasabi. So I don't even know how she slithered her way out of that one. But yeah. So I guess the moral of the story is, if you challenge your girlfriend to a fishing challenge, even if you win, you're still gonna lose. So it is what it is. I definitely needed a haircut. We'll roll a clip of her cutting my hair right now.
Oh my god. This is too short.
And yeah, I was just miserable trying to fish out there in the heat in the middle of the day with my long hair. So I'm glad it's cut, and it's gonna get me demonetized. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys next time.